Hello and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to solve this question where we need to find the unit digit in this sum. We have 264 raised to power 102 plus 264 raised to power 103. What will be the unit digit in this sum? In last video also we did a question about unit digit where we need to find the unit digit in product. But here we have sum, but the method is same. So what do we do for finding unit digit? For finding unit digit, we just see the unit digit of these numbers. Okay, like unit digit for finding unit digit in this sum, we need unit digit in first is 4 raised to power 102 plus 4 raised to power 103. Okay, so we know that 4 square gives unit digit 6. 4 square is 16 and 4 square gives unit digit 6. Okay, so if we find 4 square raised to power 51, this will be equal to 4 raised to power 102. This will also give unit digit 6. Okay, because 4 square is 6, 4 square raised to power 51, this will also give unit digit 6. Okay, 6 6 6 6 6 6 36. Okay, so you will get unit digit 6. Okay, now so 4 raised to power 103 gives unit digit is equal to 4 raised to power 103 is 4 raised to power 102 into 4. Okay, so this gives unit digit 6, this gives unit digit 4, so this will give unit digit 24. Okay, so if this will give unit digit 24, so and 4 raised to power 102 gives unit digit 6, so unit digit in this sum 4 raised to power 102 plus 4 raised to power 103 will be equal to 6 plus, and this is giving 4, so 6 plus 4, unit digit will be 0. 6 plus 4 is 10, but we need to see only unit digit, so unit digit will be 0. So I hope you understood this question. You got it. If you got it, do subscribe to my channel and do press like button, and for more videos do visit my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.